And naagawan. And 1 versus 2 pigs. Fading away. Oh! Number 11. Number 11 attack. Side step. Other shot. Bucket is good. Almost stolen. Recovers. Number 9. Straight to the hoops. Yes sir. And nakakim. Tuloy. Grabe nun! Hello mga idol. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Intertown ng Ilocos Norte Governors Cup para sa laban ng Pasukin at Lawag City. Shout out XCon. Nagla-live. Follow. And number 22 versus number 18. And first ball possession for Pasukin. Pasukin. And all nothing score. And posting up, he bump, he fires. No good. Rebound. Fires. And first block. Pass to the middle. Fires off the glass. Bucket is good. And number 22 sa 11 sa 3. Bang! Not. And here's number IP. Number 2, pull up J. Short. Rebound, put back. Basket and 1. Number 15 at the logo. He is stopped. He passed to number 11. Number 11 attack. Side. Other shot. Bucket is good. And nag-stuck sila doon. Here's number 12 to the rim. No good. Too strong. Put back shot and a finish. Score natin. Number 15 receives the ball. He is stopped. He passed to number 12. He fires at 3. Off the mark. Rebound. Lawag. And a pass break. 4 on 1. Fires off the window. Easy 2. Number 17 with the ball. Oops. Almost stolen. Recovers. Number 9. Straight to the hoops. Yes sir. Pasukin. Number 11. Attacks. Fires. No good. And rebound. Lawag. The long pass. All alone. Easy 2 points. Number 11. Rebound. Pasukin. Fires. Pasok yan. Backdoor inbound. For team Lawag. Bounce pass to the middle. Hook shot. Wala. Number 11. The rebound. And nakakinta. Tuloy-tuloy. Grabe nun! Pasukin. Nakakwarta na naman. Uy, so palpal. And naiwan yung bola. Naagaw. And here you go. Uy, baliktad kanina yan. Bumangon ang lupit. And the long pass. Long 3. Short. And ball possession Lawag. Attack from the middle. Pass on the inside. The fires won't go. Number 14 Pasukin for the rebound. And naagawan. And 1 versus 2 pigs. Oh! Number 14 for Pasukin. He passed number 15. Drives pass on the inside. Reverse layup of the window. Bucket. Rebound. Lawag. And he passed number 2. He fires at 3. No good. Battle for the rebound. And here's attack. Slays. No good. Rebound number 4. And a put back of the window. Bucket for 2. Team Pasukin. Number 14. Long pass. No good. And the long number 2. Pass to the middle. Pass inside. Libre. Easy. 2 points. And here's number 15. Pinasa number 5. Open for 3. He launched. No good. Pass break. Lawag number 2. Binit bitlays. Yes sir. 5 pass. And he drives. He floats. No good. And the long pass. Pinasa. Gandang pasahan ni Pinasa pa. Fires. Aban. Number 17. Atake. Crossover. Stops. Sa corner. Attacks. Wala. Put back shot of the glass. Bucket is good. 29 to number 11. Atake. Sa corner. Fading away. Off target. Rebound dito. Blue. Lawag. To the rim. No good. Rebound. Across the mid lane. Number 29 Pinasa. Pass back number 29. To number 12 nagkatapikan. Number 12 attacks. To the rim. Lays bucket for 2. Bitawan. And the long pass, 1 versus 3 picks, clutch, fire off the glass, basket is good. And the long pass, sumalaksak, pumangga, tumira, talsik si Idol. And his team pasukin, stolen. Fires off the glass, easy bucket. To the corner, he attacks, number 22, drives, fires, bucket for 2. Down to 18-point lead, ang kalamangan ng Lawag. Naagawan. And his team pasukin, side step, bucket for 2. And his number 20 pass on the inside, he bump, he fires off the glass, the strong. And nabitawan na recover, number 3, he spins, fires, ooh! Pinasa. Number 9. Pass to the corner. He pass to number 9. Bumangga. Tumira. Pasok ya. 5 on the game clock. Stolen. And he stops. Free throw air. Here's number 15. Pinasa sa gitna. Stolen. And here's number 28. Straight to the hoops. To the middle. Behind the back dribble, number 20. Backdoor inbound, number 28 off the glass. Ramos, he stop, he pass. And here's number 11. Pass inside. Sa gitna, pull up jumper. Ooh, the friendly roll. Sa gitna, number 29. Number 5. Bounce pass. Oh, and pinasa kay number 9, nakalusot, basket and 1. Oh. Number 15. Number 15 spins. Behind the back. Hook pass. Stolen. 1 versus 2. And straight to the hoops. Basket for 2. Number 15 pass to the middle. Number 29. Naagawan na naman, pass break. 1-on-1. Up 1-on-1 spins. Oh! Gadali! Pass to number 22. He stop. I-pass to number 3. In number 15. Sa corner sa 3. No good. And here you go, number 3 to the hoops. Easy 2. Here's number 11. Pass to the middle. Pull up J. Short. Put back. Bucket and 1. Bounce pass. Inside pass. Reverse layup number 4. Bucket for 2. And he attacks. Number 22. Oh! And 20-point lead, Lawag. Dalawa yung gumardya. Oops. Hinaras. Uy. Oop. Number 12. Pass to number 11. Pull up jet 3. Bang! Bulls up. And here you go, number 2. He spins. He pass to the middle. Natapikan. Ball is stolen. Number 5 with the ball. Straight to the hoops. Oops. In and out. And here's number 15. Put up J. No good. Rebound number 14. Put back. Wala pa rin. Nag-agawan yung magkasama. And here's number 12. Spin. Oop. Lying to the floor. And here's number 20. Straight to the rim. Easy 2. And to number 23. Babangga picks. Pinasa sa loob, ang gandang pasa. Easy 2. And the long pass. Sakto yung pasa. Pinasa pa. Pinasa ulit. Yes. No good. For the backdoor inbound. Bounce pass. Fires off the glass. Yes, sir. And almost stolen. And he stole. Pinasa pa. Libre. Easy 2. And 20 seconds. Bounce pass. Sakto yung pasa. 2-on-1. Tinira pa rin. Off the glass. Yes, sir. Sa corner. 4 seconds. He fires at 3. The final quarter action. Stolen ulit. Bounce pass pabalik. Lace. Basket for 2. Number 11. Number 9. And here you go, the long pass, big clutch, fires to Palpal, 1 bounce. Number 22. Kicks out. Number 11. And stolen. And to the hoops. Easy 2. Number 28. Pinasa to the hoops. Supalpal! Sigawan Lace. Easy 2. And here's number 15 sa gitna. Fars. Na good. Naagaw ng mag-isa. Number 5. To the hoops. Yes, sir. And pinasa sa gitna. Number 20. Stop. Pull-up jumper. Free throw line. No good. Rebound. One bounce. Fires. Wala pa rin. Rebound pa rin. Put back. Bagat for 2. Number 5 to number 11. He drive. Stolen. Nag-rolling si Idol. Number 23. Binit-bit lace. May lamok pa. And number 22. To the hoops, Lace. Yes, sir. Bagat for 2. And here's number 23. Binangga yung dalawa. Uy, talsik yung dalawa dun. Grabe, parang bowling yung ginawa. Tinignan pa. Parang bowling yun, ah. Nagpasab sub daw. Boundary ball. Number 17. Pinasa pa Fires. My foul and 1. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Ginulo ng dalawa. Pass break. Number 17 to the rim. Wala. Grabe yun. And here's team pasukin. Nabangga. Number 23. Bounce pass. Sa gitna. Pass to number 17 of the window. Easy 2. Number 11 with the ball. He bump. Pass to the corner. Cross pass. Number 4. Pinabitin. Wala. Pass break ngayon. All alone. Babawi. Easy 2. Number 19. Sa gitna. Number 17. Sa corner. Reverse layup. Bagat for 2. Number 15. Pinasa. Lace. Easy 2. Sa 3. In and out. Pass break. Lace. Yes, sir. Drives. Supalpal. Bang! At the buzzer! That's the end of the game. Congratulations!